Hi guys, welcome back to the Willow Pink channel. Today I am going to be doing a science experiment, and it's about shining a light in the torch and then with bubbly water and then a straw blowing in, and then you can see a rainbow. What you're going to need is detergent, a cup of water, table salt, a bowl, a spoon to mix it, and a straw. Your spoon, your cup of water, and your salt. First, you're going to pour your water into the bowl. You can get as much water as you want. So it should fill up to about there on the bowl. And then you're going to put your salt in. I forgot to say, you also need the detergent. You're going to put the salt in, the water, so it's like salt water. And then you're going to get your soap, pour some in. And then stir it. And you're going to keep stirring. And then the next part is the circle. You're going to put your straw in and do this. And the bubbles should start coming up. If you don't accidentally breathe in, when you need to breathe in, just take your mouth off and breathe in, because you don't want to drink the soap water, because soap is poisonous and it's not good for you. But yep, this is soap water. I don't know. And you might actually clean it. And then it's actually really hard. And I'm going downstairs to get it. I'm back. Okay. It's really going. Alright. And Father's Day is on Sunday, so wish your dad a big happy Father's Day on Sunday. And if my dad's watching this, happy Father's Day. Once it gets lots of bubbles, you should see a rainbow even without the torch, but with the torch it looks way too cool. So I'm gonna go get one. I'll do now. Okay. If you don't have a torch, you could just use the phone like me, because I can't find a torch. So I'm just going to use my phone. And look at that.
Wow. You can see all the little rainbows on the bubbles.
On this side, you might not see it on the camera.
Do you want me to shine it from this side?
Oh, yeah, sure. So it looks really cool. You might not see it on the camera. Watch when I blow it up and there's a light on it.
Whoa.
I think it's super satisfying. Hey, Dad.
Oh.
Look.
Wow.
We're videoing. Say hi. Well, I hope you enjoyed the experiment, but that's all of the video for now. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Willow Pink channel. And also I'll be making some merch maybe another time, and then maybe you'll see it. So thanks for watching. Bye!